Hey Fit Babes, today we're doing a 15-minute Tabata workout, which means we're working for 20 seconds and then resting for 10. Grab your extra support sports bra because we are starting off with some jumping jacks.
We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together,
Resting for 10, and then we're doing 20 more seconds of jumping jacks.
so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me?
For the next exercise, we're kicking opposite hand to opposite foot. Make sure you keep your abs engaged the whole time. And if you can't quite kick your hand, just kick as high as humanly possible.
I could stay awake till the
Resting for 10, and then we're going to switch to the other side.
with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can
Resting for 10 seconds, and then we're doing alternating kicks. And you must try as hard as possible to look as dorky as I do doing this. It is a crucial part of this exercise to look like a big box of nerds.
The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young.
All right, like I've said before, I tend to like to kick your ass, but for this exercise, you're going to kick your own.
Do it on repeat. The night is young.
Resting for 10 seconds, then you get to kick your ass one more time.
I try so hard to fade away.
Rest for 10, and then we are straight into high knees.
It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on, the way of being long gone. There's so many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to.
Resting for 10, and then repeat.
Far too many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up, time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up, time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up.
Now we're going to do a little variation on the jumping jack. We're going to jump to the side, left leg forward, side, right leg forward.
This long ago, can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on.
And now we're going to rest and repeat.
There's so many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Far too many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up.
All right, guys, I don't know if you've ever done Tracy Anderson, but this is a little throwback and tribute to her. We're doing some toe touches. They're sassy, they're fun. Enjoy these. Now we're gonna rest and do exactly the same thing, just little toe taps.
Far too many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to
Now we're gonna pop a squat and do some pulses. Get as low as you can get on these. They should be burning your bum.
I'm somewhere in the middle. Try to find myself again.
Resting for 10 seconds, then right back into it.
Of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. And trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta move.
Now we're gonna do toe taps again. We're gonna go right, left, 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 and repeat. This reminds me, I need to whip out my old Tracy Anderson DVDs.
Two better times, two better times. Two better times, two better times. Two better times, two better times.
Pausing for 10 seconds, and then we're right back into these little toe taps.
Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
Not only did that guy from Tinder ghost me, he also took my jump rope. So we're just gonna use the air. So just like we're gonna pretend we don't have relationship troubles, we're gonna pretend we have a jump rope. 20 seconds here.
I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times, go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times.
Now you're gonna rest and think about your life choices, and then do 20 more seconds.
To better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. I look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am
Okay, I debated taking this next exercise out because I look like a turd, but it's a throwback to my old Taekwondo days. I actually really enjoyed this exercise. So we are doing a step with a triple punch all on one side. Then we're gonna rest and switch to the other side. My Taekwondo name was Dana-san, like from the Karate Kid, he was Danielson. I went to nationals for Taekwondo and I got up to a blue belt. And then later when I went to college in Boston, I got my black belt. So also there's these creepy guys who just stare at me and act like they're doing work behind their building, but they're really not. They're just coming and taking turns watching a girl exercise in front of a wall. Those guys better watch themselves because I'm about to kung fu their ass.
You should know I'm not like others. You should know I'm not the one. If you trust me with your feet.
Next, we're gonna do a side lunge into a front lunge. We are working the right side of the body first.
Only in my dreams, only in my dreams. I play fair, I don't make you leave. Oh my God. Why is it so hard to love? Only in my head, only in my head. I'm the person I should be instead. Oh my God. I'm too rough around the edges. I'm so
Now we're gonna rest for 10 and then switch and do the other side.
Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Steal and cheat and lie. Make my lovers cry. Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Edges. Too rough, too rough, too rough. Around. Edges.
Now we're gonna do a triple squat with a little hop in the middle. A little pop squat with a hop. I like it. These ones are quad killers. I really felt these. I know it's hard. We're gonna do 2 rounds of this, but don't worry, you can rest for 10 seconds in between.
Don't mean in the best way. If you trust me with your heart, I won't make you keep it safe. Only in my dreams, only in my dreams.
Now it's time to rest, and we're gonna do the exact same thing for 20 more seconds.
Why is it so hard to love? Only in my head, only in my head. I'm the person I should be instead. Oh my God. I'm too rough around the edges. I'm so unrefined. Can't make up my mind. Cause I'm too rough around the edges.
Now we're gonna do a little side lunge with the tap. I don't know if these are called skiers. I don't know what they're called, but they're kind of fun. And just make sure you keep your abs engaged. And if you want to twist a little more, feel free. Really get that oblique crunch in there.
Too rough, too rough, too rough. Around. Edges. Too rough, too rough, too rough. Yeah, I'm too rough around the edges.
Now we're gonna do a narrow stance with 4 pulses, jump up into a wide stance, do 4 more pulses, and then write me a letter to thank me for your new beautiful round bum.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy.
Now we're gonna repeat the same thing. 4 pulses with the wide stance, 4 pulses with a narrow stance. And you can text me, you can email me, you can send me a message on Instagram thanking me for your beautiful peach. You are very welcome.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up.
All right, we're gonna finish this off with another round of jumping jacks. Get ready, give it all you got. You should feel all the wobbly bits jiggling in this exercise. If you're not, you're just doing it wrong.
We got everything. Moonlight on your naked skin. Summer's blind us to give in. Where you
And finally, we're gonna use our invisible jump rope and reflect on our life and how we're so grateful that that guy ghosted us on Instagram way back when, because we found a pretty awesome man. And maybe if that guy hadn't ghosted us, we would not be where we are today. Thank you, Sir Ghost, a lot. I appreciate you.
Be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, washing.
If you made it to the end of the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you never miss a super fun, slightly sarcastic, and uber effective workout with me again. Now let's go stretch it out. Come on, don't be a slacker. Go do your stretch video. I know you don't want to. All right, guys, see you soon.